This video shows how to troubleshoot your Deskjet 1510, 2540, or 2545 printer when the printer does not pick up or feed paper from the input tray. If the printer does not pick up or feed paper from the input tray, an out-of-paper message might display on the printer control panel or on the computer. Check that the paper is in good condition. Remove the stack of paper from the tray. Raise the input tray. Lower the output tray. Pull out the tray extender. Stack 25 sheets of new plain white paper. Align the paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Load a stack of plain white paper into the input tray with the short edge forward and the print side up. Slide the paper guide inward until it stops at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it starts to bend the paper. Try printing. If the printer does not print, continue to the next step. Follow these steps to remove any loose paper or debris from the tray. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Disconnect the USB cable. Then disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
Before reaching inside the printer, disconnect the power cord to avoid risk of injuries or electric shock. Remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Move the pick mechanism inside the input tray and remove any objects. Tilt the printer on its side and use a flashlight if necessary. Turn the printer over. Then open the cleanout door on the bottom of the printer by pressing the latch on both sides of the door. Remove any loose paper or debris from the cleanout area. Then close the door by pushing in until the latches snap into place. Return the printer to its normal upright position. Reconnect the USB cable and the power cord to the back of the printer. Then press the power button to turn on the printer. Try printing again. If the printer does not print, continue to the next step. Clean the rollers inside the printer to prevent paper feed issues. Before you begin, you will need a long cotton swab and distilled or bottled water. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Raise the input tray. Using a flashlight, look into the input tray to find the large paper pick rollers. Dampen the cotton swab with the water. Then press it against the rollers while rotating the rollers upward with your fingers. Apply enough pressure to remove dust buildup. Allow the rollers to dry for about 15 minutes. Reconnect the power cord. Then press the power button to turn on the printer. Try printing again. If the printer does not print, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can solve some paper pick issues. Press the power button to turn on the printer. While the printer is on, disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Then press the power button to turn on the printer. Try printing again. If the printer does not print, continue to the next step. If the issue is not resolved, you might need to service the printer. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.